Let's move on now. Yogendra Yadav-led Swaraj Abhiyan is out for a 10-day Padyatra. The yatra will cover the drought-hit region of Marathwada and Bundelkhand to inform people about their rights. This especially following the May 13 Supreme Court judgment that lays down directions for states on providing relief to those affected by drought. CNBC TV 18's Archana Shukla walked along with Swaraj Abhiyan's volunteers to find out how the government's response system is shaping up vis-a-vis food security, water availability and jobs. Here's a ground report from Latur district in Marathwada.
It is 6:30 a.m. Still pleasant and windy in this village Borgaon in district Latur, and a group of volunteers from the Yogendra Yadav-led Swaraj Abhiyan along with other activist groups are hurriedly preparing to begin their Padyatra. It is the third day of this Jal Hal Padyatra to cover drought-hit villages in Marathwada and inform people of their rights and the Supreme Court order on drought relief. As the group walked 2 kilometers to reach village Shirala, the crowd slowly pulled in to talk about their issues.
टैंकर कितना दिन में आता है यहाँ पे?
एक महीने ला एक लीला पानी एक महीने ला।
तो महीने में एक बार। और बाकी मुझे कहीं किसी ने बताया कि टैंकर आ रहा है 10-12 दिन में एक बार। नहीं प्राइवेट टैंकर आ रहा है।
Water scarcity was the biggest ask in this village, apart from job opportunities. Explaining the audience their rights, and before the temperature soars to unbearable levels, the Padyatris progressed on their 4-kilometer march to the next stop, village Bisevagholi. Here villagers threw open concerns on the irregularities in the state's public distribution system, despite having implemented the National Food Security Act almost 2 years ago.
तेवढ्या प्रमाणामध्ये एका माणसाला 5 किलोच्या हिशोबाने असं मिळतं काय खाण्याला म्हणजे कार्ड असून पण मिळत नाही कार्ड नसणाऱ्यांची तर फार दूरची गोष्ट
त्याच्या मनावर दुकान कधी उघडायचं
तुझ्या घरामध्ये तुला किती धान्य मिळतं 10 किलो आणि काय भावाने मिळतं 70 रुपये देते नाणे.
But the biggest concern villagers of Bisevagholi had was lack of job opportunities at a time when 5 consecutive crops had failed. Supreme Court has directed the centre to release adequate funds and initiate jobs under Manrega.
इस गांव में किसी को काम नहीं मिला।
हाँ? किसी को काम नहीं मिला। खाली रोजगार हमें क्या करके उन्हें क्या बोलिए लिख के लिए मगर काम मिला नहीं।
The Padyatra moved to another village that would paint its own picture of the ground realities of drought relief. The what was common throughout Marathwada was an existential angst. With cameraman Ramesh Kerekar and Sunny Paswan, this is Archana Shukla in Latur.